Yes, let me know whether screen is visible. Yes. Is the screen visible? Tejas, Yash, Siddesh, Ranjan, is the screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
So we'll start today with the new practical assignment that is related to your Tableau, in which we are going to learn the dashboard and storyboard and little bit part of your the table calculation, the what kind of table calculation you can do. So already you know that how to identify the grains, okay, that based on some dimensions of the table you are trying to identify the grains and you are trying to transform it or you processing it, pre-processing it, and then you are trying to visualize it in the different graphs, bar or chart. So after that, in the Tableau, we should know that how to represent this uh, visualization in the dashboard and the storyboard. Okay, so here in this sheet, you can, as usual, you can connect the sheet with your one of the data set from here. Okay, or you can start the new data set. So you can see here that you can connect with Microsoft Excel file and downloaded one of the .csv file. Okay, like your one of the supermarket or your Netflix title, right? And you can connect this file here. Already it is connected, but still I am showing here that how to connect it. Okay, after connecting it, you can design their relationship from this different sheet. Okay, that order, that how it relate with the peoples and the written, and after showing their relationship or their relationship diagram, then it will be visible on your this specific sheet, this one. Is it okay? Now what you can do here is that you can perform the operation of on the identifying of grains. So you know very well that what do you mean by the grains, that you can identify the specific column or attribute from the data set, like some product id. Okay, you are drag and drop that product id here and then try to identify some profit related or some quantity related part of this product id. Okay, for the uh, some years or year wise profit of any product, year wise profit of the any product. So in this case you can see this is your product id, right? And year wise, month wise and quarter wise. So when you are including all those things like year wise, month wise and quarter wise, quarterly, in that case you are providing the concept, or you're providing some conditions, so you're providing some calculations for some specific dimensions of the table during the time of visualization. Okay, and that is a part of your table calculations. Here even also in the table calculation you can identify some measures with some counts, so some average, some medians. Okay, now here you have a count, so you can change it to your sum also. Okay, so it will give you the sum of that product, that should be have a either of that relate to year wise, that has been purchase that specific order, right? So these are the in the quarter 3 for the year 2014 it is 4, for the quarter 4 it is 4 for this specific product. So accordingly you can identify the your grain with some filtering condition or with some table calculation conditions. Okay, so here this sheet, you can give the name to this sheet is that product I product information year wise, some specific product information year wise. Okay, so this is one sheet which you have created. In the second sheet you can see here even that these are the sheets. Okay, and these are the dashboard. Here you can see this is a dashboard, and the book sign which shows here, this is your storyboard. Remember this, right? So still you are preparing your different sheets, right? Now in case of this sheet 2, now in the sheet 2 suppose I need to create the information related to the information related about some product. Okay, according to according your region wise, state wise, or city wise, and your product subcategory is your accessories, your books, or your copies. So you are trying to identify some average profit regarding this subcategory according to the region, state, and city. According to region, state, and city. So here you can change this name to category wise profit, table. Okay, category wise profit table. Now this is your category wise profit table. If you want to draw the graph of the same, you can draw the graph of this by creating the duplicate of this sheet. So in this, the same sheet will be created and you can draw the graph for this sheet. Okay, you can see that which graph is suit to this specific information or the specific dimensions and measure which you have chosen. So this is can suit, this can suit, and I think pie chart you can see, I think this is not suit this pie chart. Even this is also can suit. Okay, this graph, bubble graph. So in this it's showing the accessories here, and this is average profit according to the region. So this is good graph that shows here, and you can change the name of this to profit in the graph visualization. Okay, profit in the graph visualization. So this is your graph for this respective category wise profit table, and this is table and this is a graph. Are you getting this? Yes, समझ में आ रहा है? Yes, let me know.
Yes,
Okay, even you can create some more sheets here. आप यहाँ पे और sheets create कर सकते हो. So again you can create the more sheet according to your customer names. Okay, you can identify some customer names. Here you can apply some filters. Okay, see how you can apply the filter. Now see this carefully that I will apply here the filter, even I will apply the dimensions, will apply some measures, and some condition will also apply here, and even we can apply here some calculations, table calculations. Okay, so here in this you can filter out with the some names of the customer and identify the customer's name, and for that specific customers you can कुछ कस्टमर्स के लिए हम लोग यहाँ पे सेल्स या ऑर्डर काउंट निकाल सकते हैं. वी कैन आइडेंटिफाई सम ऑर्डर काउंट फॉर दैट. Okay, you can identify the order count. So now here in the order count, now this customer name that buy which product. Okay, so you can add the product name with the customer name. Even you can identify the product for them because they have bought a lot of product and you have to identify this. Okay, आप उनके आपको कौन से स्पेसिफिक प्रोडक्ट चाहिए वो आइडेंटिफाई करो. So this is filtering condition that you can apply. Choose at least 10 to 15 products so that it will be identified properly. Okay, so for this they have bought these products. Okay, they have identified it, and now even you can filter out it with the okay, we can check the person's people's count or person or region, order id or return, or even we can identify the return count for this. According to this, if you don't want to get the return count, you can change this return count as per the applying this filter अप्लाई करके भी अगर आपको इसमें रिटर्न काउंट कितना चाहिए उसके हिसाब से आप यहाँ पे चेंज कर सकते हो. ठीक है, that range you can identify this filter that return. So this is given as a null. They have not given anything. If you apply some filter count, just try to identify. Okay, so count order is 1 for this. For remaining there is no count order. So काउंट ऑर्डर और काउंट रिटर्न जो भी है यहाँ पे आप लोग चेंज कर सकते हो, ठीक है, एज पर द प्रोडक्ट नेम, एज पर द कस्टमर नेम. So even now here if you want to apply some major values, see, so count 1 1, this is count, it shows count of order, this is a count of order with the customer name, product name and count order, right? So here when you can change the count of order, if you don't want the count you can change it here by changing can have the options of table calculation, add table calculation. So in the table calculation it will ask you to identify some conditions, okay, and that calculation type from either a percent difference from percent of total, rank और percentile, running total और moving calculation. ओके तो आपको रैंक चाहिए कि क्या चाहिए, ठीक है, वो आप लोग यहाँ पे दे सकते हो. दैट कंप्यूटिंग कंप्यूट इट यूजिंग अ टेबल डाउन, पेन डाउन और सेल. So we'll keep it as a table down, okay, and again we can mark here that to show the table calculation as per the rank. So this is a part of your table calculation. So this will be highlighted as per the rank, right? So this is what you can give the sheet name, that rank wise customer profit or customer returns, right? You can write like that. ठीक है, तो कितने शीट्स बनाए मैंने अभी यहाँ पे, हाउ मेनी शीट्स आई हैव क्रिएटेड, लेट मी नो, 1 2 3 एंड 4. अभी आपको टोटल कितने शीट बना सकते हो उतनी शीट आपको बनाने हैं. यू कैन क्रिएट द मल्टीपल शीट फॉर द गिवन डाटा सेट. जो भी डाटा सेट आपने यहाँ पे कनेक्ट किया है उसके लिए आप मल्टीपल शीट्स क्रिएट कर सकते हो, ठीक है. So you can create 15 20 or 25 sheets, because see, when you are creating the storyboard or whenever you are creating your dashboard, it's required to have the multiple things to accumulate at the one place, okay. So here we will create the duplicate of this sheet to draw the graph. Yes, so this can suit, this graph can suit here. So this rename this with the, this is a graph. So now in the dashboard, you can go in the dashboard. In the dashboard, you can able to see these sheets which you have already created. That the product information, your category wise information with a table, your category wise information with a graph, your rank wise information with the table, or your rank wise information of the graph or bar, right? So now in this sheet, in the dashboard, you can add this sheet as per your requirement, okay. So what is your requirement? Suppose I want the information for some specific product that to display year wise. So you can add it, drag and drop it. Okay, and then if you want to add some kind of title, you want to add some caption, then you can add it here. Okay, so some quantity here broken the date. देखो अभी यहाँ पे अगर आपको चेंज करनी है ये इंफॉर्मेशन तो आप चेंज कर सकते हो. प्रोडक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन ईयर वाइज. ठीक है, यहाँ पे आपने ऐड कर दिया. ठीक है, तो ये मैंने ऐड कर दिया और जैसे ही ऐड हो जाएगा अगर मुझे डिस्प्ले करना है तो यहाँ पे मैं इसको व्यू कर सकती हूँ. आई कैन व्यू दिस आल्सो, राइट. देन इवन like that this can be visible in the view mode. इसको अगर ब्रेक करना है व्यू को, ठीक है, can be visible. Now see here your dashboard, open your dashboard again. This one is your dashboard. Again you can create the second dashboard. Here there is a sign of this dashboard. Can you, is it visible? There is a 4 small square. Click here, it will create the second dashboard. In this, if you want any information category wise, so both will become here, category wise information. For this you can add the caption again. Again you can add the graph of the same. Sorry, this is not. Yes, it came. So now just wait, system is getting slow, just wait, it will come up. So like this you can add the information to your dashboard. Okay, तो इस तरह से आप जो भी है आपकी information dashboard पे add कर सकते हो. You can create a multiple dashboard with the category wise product showing, rank wise product showing, customer wise product showing. जो भी आपको दिखाना है, जो भी आपने sheets multiple sheets create किए, जैसे 15 sheets create किए हैं, 20 sheets create किए हैं, जितने भी sheets create किए हैं वो सारे sheets आप यहाँ पे दिखा सकते हो. ठीक है, and even you can add the caption for these sheets also, right? You can give the title, you can add the caption. Title is already there, so you can add the caption for this. Right, so caption will be also added here. So this will be your dashboard, category wise profit table, and this is a graph. So even this dashboard is created. If you want to visualize this, this will be also visualized in the slide view. So now here even अभी बचा है आपका स्टोरी बोर्ड. अब स्टोरी बोर्ड में क्या करते हो, कर सकते हो आप स्टोरी बोर्ड में अलग अलग स्टोरी शीट क्रिएट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. एक ही स्टोरी बोर्ड पे आप मल्टीपल स्लाइड्स बना सकते हो. मीन्स इफ यू आर क्रिएटिंग वन स्लाइड, then that will be your first story, second slide will be your second story, third slide will be your third story. Like here you can see this is, you can add the caption here. Suppose I will add the caption as like revise the product and customer details. ठीक है, तो ये मैंने कैप्शन यहाँ पे ऐड कर दिया. अब इसके रिलेटेड जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन है मुझे अगर डैशबोर्ड 1 पे मिलती है, डैशबोर्ड 2 पे मिलती है, तो मैं पूरा डैशबोर्ड एज इट इज यहाँ पे ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप कर सकती हूँ. ओके, so this will create your one story, and even you can add more detail to the storyboard by adding the more information. Okay, by like drag to the add text, you can even get the size for this, right? And so this will come here, sorry, this will come here, and now this will become your first story, first slide. If you want to add the another blank storyboard, then you can add it from the new story point here. That will become your next slide. Are you getting this? Yes, all of you? समझ में आ रहा है सबको? टेबल कैलकुलेशन मैंने बताया है कैसे करना है इसमें. How to choose the multiple things in the dimensions and measures, and then you can add that multiple sheet in the dashboard, and then you can create the storyboard from this sheets and this dashboard. So now here even now you can add the another slide related to your rank wise information. Rank wise information of the product and कस्टमर. ओके, तो अभी आपको क्या करना है यहाँ पे, दिस इज योर सेकेंड स्लाइड. ओके, दिस इज योर सेकेंड स्लाइड. आप सेकेंड स्लाइड में क्या करना है कि सेकेंड स्लाइड दैट रिलेट योर रैंक वाइज इंफॉर्मेशन. अब इसका मैंने कोई डैशबोर्ड तो नहीं क्रिएट किया है. ओके, we have not created the dashboard for this rank wise information so that we can directly add it from the sheet. So we can add it from the sheet. That is a, this is a rank wise information we can add here. Okay, we can drag and drop this. We can drag and drop this rank wise information in the table form and the rank wise information in the chart or bar graph form. So see here what is happening. You can add only the one story from the one sheet or one dashboard. मतलब आप अलग अलग चीजें यहाँ पे क्लब नहीं कर सकते. So that in this case you can create the dashboard for this rank wise information separately, and then you can add in the one story slide. Are you getting this now? Yes, all of you? Let me know. Is there any doubt up till now? Samruddhi? Yes. Yash? Chaitanya? Shweta? समझ में आया है? इसमें कुछ डाउट है किसी को? बोलो जल्दी. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, now see what I will tell you. अभी ये तो हो गया आपका टेबल कैलकुलेशन, डैशबोर्ड और स्टोरी बोर्ड कैसे बनाना है. ठीक है? Is it okay? Now here that practical part of your dashboard and storyboard is over now.